welcome to our term 2, class A, practicing video number 5. Alright, you can see that I have written some homework list for our group lessons, which is group lesson A, class B, and class C. If you forget what are the pieces that you are practicing this week, you can always check the video. Also, I will take a picture and send to our WeChat group. First, today is our class A, practicing video number 5. So we're gonna do something different today. Gonna do some slow finger exercises. Try to lift our fingers as high as possible and pause for about 4 seconds. Okay, so you're just gonna relax your hands, shoulders, and your bodies, and try just work on your fingers. So we are exercising our third knuckle. So that's the first one. Keep our finger curved. And second one, supporting our hands. And then third one, moving our fingers fast. All right, you can see the numbers on the top of our class A. So that's the one that we're gonna do. And which is also the technique works for this week. So we're gonna do it on the table first, and then we're gonna move to the piano, do the same one. So first, I want you to try left hand. So this is your left hand. Now, left number 5 up, and keep all other 4 fingers down. And we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. I want you to check your wrist, your hands. The other fingers are nice and curved, and wrist very still and straight up. Try to lift your number 5 as high as possible. Okay, now let's try it one more time. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna press the number 5 down and also count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see when I press down, I immediately lift my other fingers up. This is our finger number 5 single note. Okay, let's try one more time. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the next finger is finger number 3. So relax your other fingers, slightly lift them up. Only number 5 holding it down, touch the tables. Now we're gonna lift number 3 up. Okay, the other fingers can go with it, so it's not just number 3 like this. It's number 5 down, and also lift other fingers up. But when you straight down, only number 3 touch. Okay, now and then we're gonna swap with number 5. Ready? Number 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press down. Left number 5 up. Ready? Swap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax your other fingers. Okay, now finger number 1 now, left number 1 up, and the other fingers kind of like a relax. Ready? Number 1 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we move a bit faster, we're gonna go like this. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try left hands one more time. Ready? Go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, now let's move to the right hand. Right hand, I want you to do the same. First, we're gonna make a piano hand, nice and round. Check your wrist. All the fingers are curved. Okay, now we're gonna do. Let's start with number 5 as well. Ready? Go. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 3, 4. Number 3, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 3, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason why we're doing this slowly is try to lift your fingers as high as possible. So the higher you go, the faster you're going to play in the future. So try to take your time and try to hold your fingers as still as possible and lift it as high as possible. Okay, now on the whiteboard I write each hand you can do 2 times, and then we're going to move to the second one, which is a group of finger numbers. So that's also match the technique pieces that I give it to you this week. So we're gonna try the finger numbers first. Now this time we're just gonna try holding each fingers a little bit longer before we move down. Okay, right, so let's count the finger number first. So finger number 1, 1, up, down, and then 2, up, down, 3, up, down, 4, up, down, 5, up, down, 4, up, down, 3, up, down, 2, up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 1, up, down, 2, up, down, 1, up, down. So that's 1 time off on the left hand. Now try the right hand. Do the same. Each finger we call out, and then we do up. Lift your hands, lift your finger as high as possible, and then put it down with your curved fingertips. All right, ready? Go. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 3, up, down. 4, up, down. 5, up, down. 4, up, down. 3, up, down. 2, up, down. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 1, up, down. 2, up, down. 1, up, down. Alright, you can see that when I lift my fingers, like when I do 2, I'm not just doing 1 finger, alright, holding the other finger down. I'm lifting all the fingers except the one that I'm holding the key down. So even if we do number 2, you lift all your other hands, all your other fingers, so you can relax. Alright, this is a very advanced technique, finger exercise, just moving 1. We will do that when our hands have a better support, like just 1 fingers. Alright, but at the moment, if we do 1 fingers, you can lift the other fingers up as well. Okay, like how I do number 3, I lift the 1, 3, 4, 5 up, but just put the number 3 down. Okay, and when I say down, we also put the other fingers down to relax, not holding them. So we don't want to see this. This is a very intense and very lot of pressures on your fingers to hold it up. So remember, when we go down, not just the finger first, and then also other fingers down right after it. Okay, right, that's our finger exercises. Let's move to our piano and do some more practice. Right, let's go. So I'm just gonna put the iPad facing the pianos. Okie dokie, let's have a look at the pieces we're gonna do. So first one, we have a look at the finger size exercise that we just did. So first one is the technique book, page 17. You can see a monkey play the harp. So we're gonna do the harp chords on this book. Make sure your piano seat and your footrest is all on the same good spot, so you have a nice and distant. Okay, now harp chords. We do the same by chording the fingers. 5 up, down, 3 up, down, 1 up, down. Okay, take your time. Don't rush to go. We are doing our individual finger, moving the knuckles, left our finger as high as possible. So no rush to going fast, but nice and slow. Take your time, try to move your knuckles. Okay, ready? Go. 5 up, down, 3 up, down, 1 up, down, 5 up, down, 3 up, down, 1 up, down, right hand, 1 up, down, 3 up, down, 5 up, down, 1 up, down, 3 up, down, 5 up, down, left hands, 1 up, down, 3 up, down, 5 up, down, 1 up, down, 3 up, down, 5 up, down, right hands, 5 up, down, 3 up, down, 1 up, down, 5 up, down, 3 up, down, 1 up, down. So we did the first 2 lines, which is written on the music book. But then you have a 1 single note, okay? So the word says you just follow that pattern and play 1 key to the right, play all the white keys. So that means we are doing the C position for the whole piece. Then you can move to D position and following the same finger number, which is a 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, and do the same. So you're gonna try from a C major to D major, C position, D position, E position, F position, G position, A position, B position, last one coming back to C position. So it's not just a 2 lines exercise, actually it's quite a big piece. Okay, right, so I want you to try this at home, nice and slow. Now we're gonna move to the page 18. Page 18, we're gonna try the Let's Go Sliding. This is the one that we're doing our finger exercises. So same thing, call out the finger numbers, left up and then press down, relax. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 3 up, down, 4 up, down, 5 up, down, 4 up, down, 3 up, down, 2 up, down, 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 1 up, down. Right hand, 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 3 up, down, 4 up, down, 5 up, down, 4 up, down, 3 up, down, 2 up, down, 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 1 up, down, 2 up, down, 1 up, down. Again, and this one is not the 2 lines exercises. It's also do the same as the other one. You follow in the pattern, the finger numbers, and just play the next key to the right, which is a D position, and then E position, and the F position. So do the same. Alright, so this one is gonna take quite a while to complete the whole positions, 8 positions. Okay, now this is all from the technique book. Alright, the songs we're gonna have a look. Oh, there's one more exercises, actually the chords exercises. Right. So most of the students can do this one really well, but we're just gonna try one more week. Alright, remember the chord exercises? We do the broken chord first, 3 notes, and then we do the chord 3 times. Right, ready? Go. 5, 3, 1, 3, 5. And then D position, D, F, A, D, E position, F position, F, A, C, F, A, C. And the next one, G. Now next position. Now B position. C position. Okay. Now let's try the pieces that we are doing from last week. So first one, my computer. Right, this time we're gonna try to play together. Alright, counting the beats and try to concentrate on your fingertips, curved fingers, and also the wrist straight up. Alright, the speed we're gonna go 1, okay, that's how fast we go. Alright, get your hands ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, I want you to repeat a couple more times to get more fluently and accuracy. Alright, but over here we have another one called Abraham Lincoln. So let's try the Abraham Lincoln together. Alright, again the speed is. Alright, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. practice a couple more times, and when you finish, we'll have a look at our Christmas parade. Right, Christmas parade is quite exciting pieces. Just remember to count the wrist. In the class, some students forget to count the wrist on the second page. Right, make sure your fingers are nice and curved. Don't let the wrist go too high or too slow. Always keep it nice and straight. All right, are you ready? The speed that we're gonna go: 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 1 down, 1 down, 2 down. Not too fast. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go. 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 1 down, 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 2 down, 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 1 down, 1 down, 1 down, 1 down, 1 down, 2 down, 4 down. Okay, so this one, if you have a trouble with the second page counting, just do it nice and slow and make sure you count what you play. The better is counting out loud so you can hear it. Alright, there are a couple new pieces that I give it out this week. One is called the Yankee Doodle. So Yankee Doodle is using our middle C position. We have some new notes on the left hand, C, B, and A. Right, make sure you count the beats as well. Okay, let's try the first line. First line pretty easy, starting from a right hand. We do it nice and slow. Ready? Go. C, C, D, E, C, E, D, C, C, D, E, C. Left hand. Okay, did you get it all correct? Let's try one more time this line or count the beat. 2, 3, 4. Da, da, okay, don't forget the B is left hand finger number 2. Now let's do the second line, right hand first. Ready? Go. C, C, D, E, F, E, D, C. Okay, pretty easy on the right hand. And then we have on left hand some new notes. First one, B. Second one, G, A, B, C, and C. Okay, let's try our left hand. Finger number 2 on B. B, G, A, B, C, C. These 2 two bars a little bit tricky. We're using some skipping fingers on the left hand. So I want you to pause the video and just repeat this two bars 5 times. If you finish, we're gonna try the second line. Hands together. Count the beat. Ready? Go. 1 da, 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 2 da, 1 da, 2 da. Okay, now let's try the whole piece. 2 lượt. 5 C C D E C E da 2 da C C D E 1 da 2 da 2 da 1 da 1 da 1 da 1 da 1 da 1 da. Left hands. Okay, I want you to practice 10 times on this one because this is a new piece. Alright, now we have another one. It's called the middle C warm up. So pretty straightforward, this one. Exercising mostly on the left hand side of the new note, and then right hand just reinforce from C to G. Alright, let's try this one. We're gonna do left hands first because the first line is on the bass clef. Okay, can you find the middle C? Put the number 1 on it. Ready? Go. C, A, release your hands. A, B, C. 5, number 5, play F. F, G, okay, that's the left hand's first line. I want you to pause the video and repeat 10 times. Alright, if you're done, let's have a look at the second line. Right hand. Let's find out all the notes. Ready? Go. C, D, E, okay, did you get all the notes correct? Well done if you did. Now let's try to C warm up. Hands together. Left hand from middle C. Right hand is also from middle C. Left hands first, so right hands can slightly move your number 1 away. Ready? Go. 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, right hand. 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 1 da, 2 da. Right. So that's this week's practice. We gathered quite a lot. 2 finger exercises from the technique book and a couple pieces from the piano, My Piano, Abraham Lincoln. We have a Christmas Parade, also 2 new ones, Yankee Doodle and C Warm Up. So I want all of you try to follow the steps. Don't skip the first part, the finger exercises on the table. Try to lift your fingers as high as possible and also control your hands. Stay very still, okay? And don't forget to chop your fingernails. Alright, that's all for today. Looking forward to see you next week.
Bye.